Hello friends, so in this video we are going to make a traditional cicada. So first thing we're going to do, let's just flip this and then we're going to make a diagonal fold. So just make sure that our edges are aligned, then crease. Open that up. Then we're going to do the other end. We're going to fold that and crease. Okay, so once we have this triangle, I'm just going to fold it in half. And same thing on the other end. Then we're going to open this up. So what we're going to do is we are going to make a triangle. So like this. Okay, so this corner, we are going to bring that up in here. So that's why we folded it in the middle earlier. So just recrease that, and then same thing on the other side. So just flatten that up. Okay, now you need to do a bit of eyeballing in this one. And it's okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to pull down this flap, and then as you can see this finger, just really leaving it out there. And then on this side, you are just going to try and fold that corner so that you can have something like this. So once you have that, just follow that line the other side. Just do your best that they're symmetrical. And then if you did that right, you should have something like this. Okay, so nice. We have a couple of flaps above. So I'm gonna pull one down like this, but we're not gonna pull that all the way down. So align the middle like this as much as you can, and then just leave a bit of space on this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to flatten the middle and then just go on the side. So it should look like this. So see that space? Then what we're going to do next is we're going to pull down the other flap. And then we're going to fold it. But we're going to leave a bit of white paper like this. And then we're just going to find the middle. And then repeat. So fold that, then crease, so it should look like this. Once it's done, almost done, what we're going to do is we are going to fold this like diagonally like this, and then same thing on the other end. So I'm just going to try and eyeball that just to so it should look like this. So I'm just going to fold this. And then of course just repeat the same thing on the other side. put that down, flatten that up. Okay, we're basically done. So as you can see, it's not like, well, it's not gonna stand, but this is done. So if you would like it to like semi-stand, what I usually do is I fold this back again, then I crease that, then just repeat it on the other side. So it doesn't need to be super aligned, because what we need is just so that it stays like as much as possible flat like this. But yeah, that is your cicada. They're one of the most patient insects because they can stay underground from between 2 and 17 years as nymphs underground, and then they all come up, and then they all make that noise like crazy. But yeah, if you watch Evangelion, there's a lot of cicada sounds on that one. Yeah, that's our fold for today. Go ahead and make some. I'll see you in the next video. Happy folding.